I'm Rebecca Robeson, and welcome back to our final video of our Christmas decorating series this year. But right now we are going to decorate the outside of my house. Why is that important? Well, in Tulsa, people decorate the outsides of their houses like crazy. It's what they do. They drive around the neighborhoods and look at each other's lights. So, in like fashion, I'm gonna put my back into it. Today I have Eric and Brenda here, and they're helping me zhuzh up my house, make it look fabulous for the holidays. So I hope this gives you some ideas and inspiration of things that you can do in your own home. All right, let's get this party started. So we need to send 10 of these down that have not been lit yet. We'll go through and we'll fluff them out once they're all hanging. So these bows are from Christmas Done Bright. It's an amazing online Christmas outdoor decorating company. And I have bought lights from them and animated things from them for years for my homes. And this year, this is all brand new. So thank you, Christmas Done Bright. Would that work? Because otherwise I either have to do it on this side or on this side, but if I did this, it could essentially be on both sides. All of this is extension cords. I went a little extension cord crazy. I don't know about the timing of these pansies. Ding dong, ding dong. All right, day 2 of the outdoor decorating, and it's starting to feel like fall around here, which is pretty exciting. We've got so much to do. We've got to light some garlands, hang some sparkle balls in the tree, hang up my Oh Holy Night, and put up some candy canes. Let's get started. The best part about using garland like this, when you're lighting it, you can actually just use the branches of the garland because there's wire in each branch and just wrap it around the lights to hold them in place. God, listen to the trees. My pool is going to be full of leaves today. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Go. Brenda always parks on the wrong side of the street. Have you ever noticed that? Huh? Do you know that that's against the law? She always pulls up to my house on the wrong side of the street, and she parks about 24 inches away from the curb. She's kind of in the middle of the street. Nice. That's cute. I'm sorry. I love Christmas, but I'm not willing to get eaten alive. Ready? Very much.
All right,
shake my
you.
hand. You'll be paid. I'll get you some money later. Oh. I think this looks a lot better where I've cleaned it up. I have an idea for a finishing touch on my outdoor decorating, and that is these cute little candles, and they kind of simulate, they're supposed to anyway, there we go. They simulate little flickering, and I want to put them on my windows. The problem is they're not very tall. I realized that if I could raise them up on like that, I could sit it in the window. What if I did styrofoam and set it on that? So I can just use these as is, and these would sit on here perfectly fine, but I want to be able to shut my blinds, and I'm not able to. So what I need to do is I need to make an impression or an indentation of the handle. Press it in to the handle to make an impression of it. Look. it just made a little impression. So let me explain my process as to what I did, how I came up with the idea, and how it turned out like it did. First off, I feel like the theme this year being musical instruments, and if you saw the reveal video of my home, the interior, just yesterday, you'll know it's all about music. Well, guess what? Oh, holy night. The first thing I thought of was this amazing brick wall that surrounds my entire house. It just sets a really specific and sophisticated tone. So I thought, gosh, I want to decorate these walls. So I decorated the walls and the ironed fencing around it with what? With gorgeous garlands. 48 garlands with lights, all thanks to Shinoda Design Center. Thanks guys, you're amazing. A lot of what you're going to see in my house and what you've seen over the past years has come from Shinoda Design Center. The other thing I wanted to do is I wanted to do some really amazing lights, like some animated lights. Well, there's a company I've used in the past, and their name is Christmas Done Bright. They provided me with these gorgeous bows, the entrance to the gate of my house, and, well, oh, holy night. I just loved the idea and the concept of the garlands draping sophisticatedly and beautifully to each one of these columns. Now these columns are made of brick. I was able to embellish them with those beautiful bows, but then what perfect thing to put on my entry gate? A bow with an animated bell. Silver bells, silver bells. Although the garlands and all the lights are aimed at the outside, it still looks beautiful from the inside as well. As you look over here to my tree, this is like my favorite thing in my yard. I thought to myself, gosh, you know, those amazing starburst sparkle balls would look incredible hanging from this tree. So I got right on it. And look, David, my landscaper, came and he helped me hang these things. I'm telling you, that was not an easy feat. Lower. Oh, look at you, schmott. You sure you don't want to use the heavier ladder? Now, just so you know, this is being filmed in the end of October, and I think all of my new neighbors think I'm crazy. They say crazy like it's a bad thing. Anyway, yeah, I've got my Christmas decorations up while everyone else is putting up their Halloween decorations. But just so you know, I'm taking care of that too. For Halloween, I'm gonna be Sally from The Nightmare Before Christmas. Booyah. Company that lights your house at Christmas, they came like a month ago and they put these lights up and they said, "You're the first person of the season." I said, "I usually am. I'm just like that, right?" So they framed the entire roof line. Now all of this leads to the big deal, the whole point, and that is, oh, holy night. So why Oh Holy Night? Again, thanks Christmas Done Bright. Why Oh Holy Night? Well, it's my favorite Christmas carol. I love it. I always loved it when Celine Dion sang it. Leave me a comment below and tell me, what is your favorite Christmas carol? If you were gonna have a sign above your house, your entryway, that said, "Oh come all ye faithful," or "We Three Kings," I don't know, tell me what it would be. I'd love to hear. I especially love Oh Holy Night when my son Jimmy and his band sing it.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining.
On this side, you can see the wreaths that are in the family room from the outside, which is a beautiful symmetrical look. And then around the exterior on the top level of my house, I put in those battery operated candles. How many of you love those? Like, for years, I have loved driving around and seeing people's homes where in every single window they did those candles. Well, I didn't do it in every window. Why? Because down here, these azaleas are in the way so you wouldn't see them. That's why I put the wreaths up there. But around the top floor perimeter of my house, you will see little lit candles. So magical.
Voices for yonder break.
As it gets darker, it just gets more and more magical.
Oh, night divine. Oh, night.
I hope you've enjoyed this tour of the outdoor areas of my home that have been decorated for Christmas. I'm so excited for you guys to get going with your Christmas decorating, and I hope it's the best Christmas ever. From my family to yours, I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas. Remember that I have a whole lot of other Christmas decorating videos here on YouTube, over 100, and probably 8 or 9 just this year alone, as well as Shara's channel, The Ken Woven Home. Be sure to check out all of those videos as well. They're amazing, and you're gonna love her home. All right, you guys, Merry Christmas, love you. See you next time, bye-bye.
Please fall on your knees. Fall on your knees. Fall on your knees.
I'm telling you, that was not an easy feat to have a ladder up. We had a 26-inch ladder. Scary. And I even got on it. Yes, I did. I still got it. I did? Wait, 26 feet. I mean 26 feet. 26-inch ladder, that's embarrassing. Okay, now I got it. That's a big fat no.